Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a footer in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to sites.google.com. Then enter the website you want to add your footer on. This is my website in Google Sites, and if you check here, as you see, my website does not have a footer, or it does have the footer section, but it is empty. If the footer is not looking, let's delete it completely. To add your footer, simply hover over this section and you will see add footer button. And now let's ask ChatGPT to write me a footer section copy. Write me a footer section copy or copies for my website called benstutorial.com. You can describe it as you want. Okay, let's start with this first part. Yes. Okay. I am looking to create. Okay. Edit footer. Let's resources. Okay, this is what I will use, and then I will use those links. Okay, I will. Okay, that's good. Terms of, I want them to be closer. I think that's enough. Then you can add your links by selecting the contact, for example, contact checks. Click on insert link and look for the contact page. Click on apply. Same thing for the privacy policy. Create a page from here. And same thing, let's return to the home page, edit footer, then add your link. Search for privacy policy, apply, just like that. For the year, I'm not sure if, I think there is a way. Okay, give me HTML, or give me a year code that changes. Give me one that works for Google Sites. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Give me one that works for Google Sites. Okay, that's good. Copy the link. Now let's click on insert, go to embed, switch from by URL to embed code, paste this code here, and just like this, the link is added. I will ask it add those links next to it. Copy this code, update the code, delete, paste, next, click on save. Just like this, I think this is better, so let's delete this, and this one should be placed here. It is better. Click on publish again, and let's view my new footer. And this is my new footer. As you see, you can ask ChatGPT to edit the text font, and if you visit the other pages, the footer remains the same. And this is how to add a footer in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.